Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today. That first 30 minutes was a very bearish move, and then after that, the price could never quite recover as it tried a miniature recovery here, but then totally failed. And right now is doing another little miniature recovery. But that's what brings up the interesting dynamic here, is because like this dynamic back here, yeah, there was the recovery, but ultimately was not real. That's a big question here. Yeah, it's recovering, but is there any sort of true power behind it? Which is why, in my mind, I think there's going to be a lot of traders, myself included, they're going to be watching this level right here at the 145 mark. Nothing is guaranteed, so I'm not making that point. But what I am trying to say is that it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price goes sideways here and then comes down there and breaks down through 145, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, nothing's guaranteed, but that is certainly a more than rational thought to be having. So keep a close eye on that. As far as if that level does fail, next level of support after that would then be down there right around the 143. So 145, 143, two of the near-term areas of support. If 143 is violated, then at that point, I'd expect it to get down, probably down below 140, but I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because as of right now, to be fair, the price is also doing this little miniature recovery. So maybe this is the start of something much bigger. Maybe there is genuine power behind this movement. So if there is the next key level of resistance to watch very closely. Actually, let me squeeze this down a little bit more. If there is any sort of, attempted continuation of any sort of bounce, going to be right up here at the 152 mark. So 152, next key level of resistance to watch closely. But all in all, very interesting chart here moving forward, and especially that dynamic of, okay, it's trying to recover again, but is history going to repeat itself and roll back over? Let's see what happens with it on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.